Okay, so there is something fucked up with this car. Alright, so this engine is completely rebuilt, but I can't seem to set timing correctly. Even though I followed multiple guides, multiple guidelines. I don't have the front tool, but I have the back tool, so everything lines up. And I've done it about 12 times, and not a single time I can get it right. So I've unscrewed and screwed back this cover multiple times. And right now the problem is on RPM over 2000, this is what it exactly sounds like. And the faster you go, the more of this it sounds like. So weird.